वेलकम टू बेस्ट क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचे गोवन घोटा मीन्स इट इज स्मॉल मँगोज and it is very very delicious. In Goa we make different type of recipe out of it. So I have already have saswa, Goan sasva with coconut, Goan sasva with spicy masala, all I have. So today I am going to do without grinding. So the two videos which I have, it's like you have to grind the masala and all and then add, but today I am going to show you all without grinding, quick, just for chatpata. It is called chatpata and jhatpat. So for that I have taken the 4 gota. So what you have to do, this you open up and add little water to this and take out the juice out of that skin. Okay, and we need 4 out of this. Then I'll be using allspice leaf, some spicy 4 green chilies, 3 garlic I am using, and little bit of ginger. I will crush it. 2 tablespoons of coconut, grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, and 1 teaspoon of sasva, that is mustard seeds, and our curry leaf, little bit of turmeric powder. That's it. So we have to crush this and then start. So this you add water and then just see that you get all the juice. So we can add this to our saswa. Okay, and then this we are not going to use. So this gota which I got it was from Bicholim. We had gone there and it was so yummy to see that color. It's like baby musharad. It's like musharad gota. So let's add our saswa and jeera. One side green chilies, one side curry leaves, and one side ginger and garlic, and one side this is our all spicy. So now we will mix all this. So oil I have taken 1 tablespoon. So once that is nicely fried, we will add our and now we will add our turmeric powder. This a pinch of turmeric powder to this. And mix this all nicely. This is a quick recipe. Now we will add our mangoes to this. And cover this and cook. We'll also add our coconut now, and few coconut we will need later. So it's low flame and we will cover this. Add salt to taste. Mix well, and quick recipe is done. Just cook this for few minutes. Let the flavors and all go. Yummy. Okay. Here it is. Our Goan Ghotache Sasav is ready. Ghotache Sasav ready. Vati nastana. Enjoy this recipe and make this with rice. You enjoy with rice actually. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo.
And here it is, lovely and tasty Goan mango salsa. Thank you.